Hey folks, your OS Review. So you're watching our video review of the bPoint Smart Plug. This is a Bluetooth 4.0 enabled smart plug that connects to your smartphone or tablet after you install a free application using the iOS or Android App Store, and then you can turn on any appliance with a set time or date and even control the on and off using your phone directly. It's pretty intuitive and easy to use, and it retails for just 25 bucks, which is relatively inexpensive. You can also purchase multiple sets to work in collaboration with one another, which I find to be rather impressive. It comes in this packaging. You can find it directly through Amazon or through the company's website. There's a QR code to learn more info onto the company's website, and that's basically it. On the back you have some more diagrams showing how the app works in conjunction with the smart plug. If we take this out, we have access on the inside to a brief diagram that shows you snap on the Bluetooth part onto the plug, put it into the wall, turn it on, and then apply something onto the plug, such as a lamp or a microwave, and you can control the power that way. So this is a Bluetooth compartment. This has the smart circuitry underneath, and this is just the plug that provides power to the Bluetooth. So if we apply a bit more force and take this out, and that's basically it. So taking a look here, we have a very glossy reflective surface as far as design is concerned. It definitely will attract a bit of fingerprints. However, it has a reasonable size considering that this is a smart plug. It's not too much larger than a generic charger you might find inside of your house. The Bluetooth compartment is also applied using magnets, so it automatically sticks on after you put it in there. So it's pretty easy to use, and afterwards you can put any appliance at standard size into this particular plug. The title of the app is called bPoint. First, I'm going to turn on Bluetooth to ensure a connection will be met. I'm going to tap on that application over here, and it's going to promptly open up. It's free to download through the App Store. Again, it works with both Android or iOS, and it has a pretty intuitive interface that's easy to use. On the top, you can press the settings little drawer here, and it pops up your currently connected appliances to a smart plug. So right now we have a floor lamp here in the studio connected to the smart plug, and so that's what it's controlling. Also, we're having it in our living room slash recording area, and I've set different icons for this. So you have a graphical interface here to see what it's being connected to. It's pretty easy to set, and if we want to turn that on, I can tap on the power key there, and that's going to automatically turn on the lights. As far as functionality goes, you have to be in range of the Bluetooth smart plug, so that's about 10 meters. Each time you walk into the house or into a particular room, you'll be automatically connected and ready to go. A downside though is you have to have Bluetooth connected all the time. I would have preferred something like Wi-Fi, just because I already have Wi-Fi connected when I'm in my house, but turning on Bluetooth would definitely drain a bit more power, so that's something to note. With that being said, it works nicely. There's a slight delay, but overall it's pretty fast and responsive. I can also set different things. For example, pressing on the time here, I can set a timer. So if I want the lamp to turn on perhaps at 12 o'clock, I can set that up, and to automatically turn on your appliance when you're walking by the bPoint plug by tapping on the motion icon there, and it works generally pretty well. There's a 1 to 2 second delay in general. And finally, if you have multiple sets of the bPoint plugs, maybe you're purchasing 5 or 6 for use around the house, you can just tap on the plus key and it's automatically going to scan for new ones. The actual bPoint plug will start flashing and you will get a secure connection. The flashing will stop. It's pretty easy to use, and it's intuitive enough for you to set up quite nicely. A few applications where a smart plug like the bPoint will come in handy would be if you're entering your house late at night, you can't find the switches, you can now use your phone to turn on the lights before going in, so it's a pretty safe security measure. Another application would be if you're an elder and you're finding difficulty with going down the stairs to turn something on or turn something off, this could be a nice buy. I find the bPoint smart plug to be a compelling product that's well designed with an easy to use application that's no frills, offers you customizable settings for the timer, for the sensing of the motion. It responds nicely for any Android or iOS smartphone connected to Bluetooth. A few quirks aside, I think it's a reasonable priced product, and it certainly is competitive enough in the market of smart plugs and smart appliances. To check out more information about this product, be sure to read our full written review. This has been our video. Thanks for watching here at OS Review.